The immunity from arrest and privilege of speech are the perks of senators and members of the House of Representatives or congressmen. Sinabi ko lang pong perks para hindi naman masyadong seryoso. But actually, this is called legislative privileges or parliamentary immunities. The immunity from arrest simply means that they cannot be arrested for an offense committed by them. There are two requisites that must concur before this immunity can be invoked. Namely, the offense committed is punishable by not more than 6 years of imprisonment. And number two, the Congress should be in session. So, kailan sila pwedeng arestuhin kung sila ay mayroong nilabag na batas? Una, kailangan ng penalty para sa nilabag na batas ay may pagkakakulong na 6 na taon o higit pa. Nang sa ganon, maski may sesyon ng Kongreso, pwede silang arestuhin. Pangalawa, kung ang penalty ay less than 6 years of imprisonment naman, hintayin matapos ang sesyon sa Kongreso bago isagawa ang pag-aresto. Now, when you say session, this refers from the initial convening of the Congress up to its final adjournment. Ang signal ng pagsisimula ng regular na sesyon sa Kongreso ay ang talumpati ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas sa harap ng Kongreso o mas kilala sa tawag na State of the Nation Address o SONA. Ito ay magtatapos 30 araw bago magsimula muli ang isang panibagong regular na sesyon sa Kongreso. Within this period, the immunity applies, even if the legislators are in their houses or somewhere else. And this also holds true even when they are absent from a particular session. Sa privilege of speech naman, ito po ang sinasabi. No member shall be questioned nor be held liable in any other place for any speech or debate in the Congress or in any committee thereof. Mahalaga kasi ang ginagampanan ng mga congressman sa pagbalangkas ng batas. Sila ang ating boses sa Kongreso. Hindi nila magagawa ito kung sila ay aarestuhin. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit minabuti ng ating saligang batas na sila ay bigyan ng sinasabing immunity. The purpose is to enable them as representatives of the people to execute the functions of their office without fear of prosecution, civil or criminal. To invoke this immunity, the remarks must be made while the legislature or the legislature committee is functioning. The remarks must be made in connection with the discharge of official office, like when they are conducting investigation in aid of legislation. Sa susunod, alamin natin kung ano ba itong investigation in aid of legislation. Magandang araw sa lahat.